This is a really hard thought to put into words, but there's nothing, to me personally, that is as good or as freeing, and I don't know why it's freeing, but it is, to look at a view that's endless. When you can just see the mountains in the background endlessly. It does something to me, like chemically in my body. I don't know. It's so nice. I feel so free. I don't know if there's not a word to describe how it makes me feel. Free, I guess, is the closest. I love it, man. It's so pretty.